And don't forget, it is Cinco de Mayo, and that means police are going to be out in full force today and tomorrow to protect you from drunk drivers. So if you find yourself needing a ride home yourself, there's always AAA Tipsy Tow. Starting at 6 o'clock tonight, they'll pick you and your car up and give you a free 10-mile ride. Lyft is also taking action, partnering up with the Maricopa County Attorney's Office to give you these discount codes right here. If you've never used Lyft before, all you have to do is enter the code CINCOPHX to get $5 off your ride. And for everyone else who's used Lyft, CINCOPHX18 will get you 20% off 2 rides.